always see the night. They say they want a real one, they say they want a real one to make them feel young.
Hey, what's good, family? Welcome back to Astro Nori for another video. Today we're actually gonna go ahead and talk about the Supreme Week 4 drop list. If I'm not mistaken, we do have the Hysteric Glamour Collaboration this week, and I know that for a lot of people that means that it's a sleeper week. For me, I feel like there's a couple bangers in here actually that I would personally go for if I wasn't trying to save money or trying to embark in these new business ventures, if that makes sense. But if you do end up enjoying this video, go ahead and slap a fat like on it down below. Subscribe to the channel if you are new and would enjoy more of the type of content. Make sure you go ahead and click those post notification bells so you're notified whenever we post a new video. And don't forget to click the Gleam link at the top of the description if you're trying to enter in a Supreme TNF shoulder bag giveaway. This giveaway is actually ending on Thursday, so make sure you go ahead and enter. I'm gonna go ahead and get this out to you guys ASAP. Make sure you go ahead and leave a like on these videos, subscribe to the channel, and do it through the Gleam link if you're trying to enter in this. But with all that being said, man, let's pull this green screen up and let's get straight into this video. If y'all hear any background noise, I truly apologize. There's a lot of shit going on in my house right now, but I promised that I would make this video for you guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and do exactly that. I'm gonna start from the top of this drop list and work my way down. If y'all do end up enjoying, you already know what to do, but we do have the over dyed beanies coming out this week, which I do feel like I have a couple of these. I have like this tie-dye-ish colorway that's like pink and shit like that. I have this other tie-dye color which is blue. I got a bunch of these. I low-key got an olive one too. This blue colorway is definitely solid. I could see myself picking this blue up or even the black one, but since I did just get the loose gauge beanie in that color, I'd probably sleep on it. I do really like that gray color as well. Those are solid pickups, and the fact that this is that high up on the list pretty much speaks about what this week is like and what people feel about this drop in general. A lot of people are just sleeping on this one. I feel like it's pretty solid, but that's just my opinion. We do have this splatter tee, which pretty much comes in 5 different colorways. We got the Christmas colors, black, white, and then this yellow, which is probably the one that stands out the most to me. If I were to pick one up, I'd probably go for that one. That Christmas green color isn't that bad as well. It's high, it's nothing too special. We do got this embroidered S hooded sweatshirt. This one pretty much has everywhere on it. Like, that pink colorway is definitely solid, but I'm not about to get a sweater that just has S's all over it. I don't know, that's just too ass in my opinion, so I'd probably end up sleeping on this one. That's actually worse than the whole collab in itself. We have the reflective hooded jacket, and we also do have the pants to match. In my opinion, that maroon colorway isn't that bad. The branding isn't too prominent on it, which I kind of do like on this piece, to be honest. It's more subtle along the sleeves, and then you got the small Supreme branding on it as well, which is pretty clean. If I were to pick this one up, I'd probably just go for the maroon colorway, simply because Supreme doesn't really do items in that color, so I feel like it's a pretty solid color to pick up, especially if you wear that with the Bordeaux 7s. Hey, that's pretty solid to me. We got the split logo pullover, which this is another sweater. I honestly feel like this red and white colorway, if the white was cream, it would have been doing some numbers, but the colors that it has aren't too special. You got that navy with the Carolina blue, nothing too special. Once again, that gray with the yellow is alright. The best colorway in my opinion definitely has to be the white with the red, or that black on black color isn't that bad as well. Now we're gonna go ahead and get into the collaboration, which is the Hysteric Glamour collab. This is the second time, if I'm not mistaken, that they do a collab with them, and I feel like people are sleeping on it. I'm gonna go ahead and cover it briefly. We do have these denim trucker jackets. These are a little bit much in my opinion. I don't really feel the snakes on them too much. I honestly think that the white with the multicolor on it is the best one, but personally I'd end up sleeping on it. We also do have the denim to match the jacket. These are actually painter pants. I feel like these are clean, but at the end of the day, I don't even wear pants that are this baggy, so I probably just sleep on it regardless. One of my favorite pieces definitely has to be this logo zip up sweater in that multicolor. I feel like that one is gonna be one of the ones that if an item does good, that's gonna be the one that does good. It says Hysteric almost on the top, then it says Supreme right under it. It has anarchy, it says fuck, world famous, and a bunch of other words on it as well. Even around the sleeve it says Supreme, which I feel like is pretty solid. I think both of these colorways are actually clean, but if I were to pick one up, I'd honestly go for that cream colorway. That one is actually fire in my opinion, and I like the fact that it's not just a regular hoodie, it's not a regular piece. This is actually clean to me. It's probably not clean to you, but I think it's pretty solid. We got this over dyed camo camp cap. I feel like they do these every season. If I was to pick one up, I'd probably just go for the black with the gray on it. That one is actually pretty solid as well. We don't have retails on these pieces yet. I'm honestly assuming that retail for the Hysteric Glamour stuff might be a little bit high, not gonna lie. We do got this plaid button up with like this girl on it. She is butt naked on it. I wish that the girl wasn't on it and they stretched the skull and the bones to fit between the Supreme Hysteric. That would have actually been pretty hard. I think that would have been way better as far as designs go. That's just my opinion. This button up isn't that bad, low key. If I were to pick one up, I'd probably go for that creamish brownish color. The front has two crossbones flipping you off if you need that. And honestly, this piece right here isn't gonna do that well. A lot of thumbs down on that one, to be honest. But we also do have the Hysteric Glamour Denim Crusher. They wildin' with this one. The black one is alright, but low-key that shit is ass at the same time. My favorite piece definitely has to be the Hysteric Glamour Lunchbox. If I do end up getting this, I'd probably get it in like that black with the red colorway. I just feel like it's way more solid. I feel like this is just an accessory that I would have in the background looking spicy. Who is this on it, low-key? It almost looks like Vanessa Nevermind. She look crazy on it. That is a solid piece in my opinion. I feel like retail is going to be around $60–68 on that one. Not that bad. I do also like the tee, but I will talk about that in a second. We got the S logo sweat shorts to match the hoodie. They wildin' on that one. We got this Hysteric Glamour crew neck. This one might be another sleeper item for a lot of people. The pink colorway is pretty solid. I just feel like that face on the front of this shit is creepy, bro. Like, nah, I'm not doing all that with that one. We got this Hysteric Glamour hooded sweatshirt. Not that bad once again. I think that this one is actually a solid piece. The fuck? Why is it so blurry, bro? One of the better but more loud pieces is the Supreme Hysteric Glamour long sleeve. If you can tell, her nippies are out and all that, but this is a fire piece simply because I like the way that they combine colors on these. That purple with that pink is fire. Obviously, you can't go wrong with black and white. That maroonish burgundy color is fire as well. The green with the red, you can't go wrong with. These color combinations are definitely solid. I like the branding on the sleeves and on the chest as well. This is a clean piece. I might end up going for this piece. I feel like if there is resale, this might be one of those that does good, but then again, it's one of those loud pieces that they be releasing that a lot of people just sleep on because of what it has on it, to be honest. But we also do have this other piece, which is the Supreme Hysteric Glamour flip off logo. I don't know what it's called, to be honest. Supreme Hysteric on the front. I feel like they could have done better. This one's actually kind of lazy, but that's just my opinion. This is probably one of the better pieces. This is probably one of those pieces that people will pick up just to say they got something from the collab. We got this blurred rayon shirt. This should look kind of dookie. I'm not even gonna lie to y'all. Both colorways is kind of ass in my opinion. I just can't see myself pulling it off or even trying to pull it off for the matter. We got this velour track jacket and we got the shorts to match. This is another different design, so I'm actually gonna go ahead and open it. You got almost like this 70s rainbow design across like the arc of the shoulder type shit, and this one is OD spicy. I'm not even gonna show it for too long before I get demonetized. Shit, there's not that much to say about this one. The black one is alright, the red one is alright, that green one's looking a little bit too much in my opinion. I feel like I wouldn't even wear that shit, not even gonna lie to y'all. But we do got this leopard trench, which actually does look kind of fire. I do like that design on the back. It's just the fact that it has the skull squished that throws me off about it. I don't know, bro. Maybe that's just me, I'm tripping, but I feel like that one's actually probably gonna be mad expensive too. We have the pants to match with the velour set. They wildin'. The shorts are better though, but nah, they wildin'. Last up, we got this Supreme compass. I wonder if it is an actual compass, bro. That's kind of solid. I'm not gonna lie. It's different, bro. It's just different. You can know if you're going north or shit is going south at the same time. Like, this is actually kind of fire. You got the little carabiner on the back so somebody can yank your shit off. It's pretty clean, but that black one, the red one, the blue one, the olive one, all these colorways are actually kind of hard the more that I look at them. If I were to pick one up, I'd go for the olive, maybe the red or the black color. That maroon isn't that bad as well. I feel like the maroons for this week are definitely the hitters. That's pretty much every piece that's releasing this week. If I were to go for something, honestly, I'd go for the overdyed beanie. The splatter short sleeve is alright, but I feel like that price gonna be like $68, so that is a dub. This reflective zip hooded jacket isn't that bad. I feel like it's something on the more subtle side. If you're just trying to get a jacket you could wear all the time. These pants aren't bad as well. These do have like a zip on the side to make them like tighter or looser, which is pretty clean. Now, as far as the Hysteric Glamour collab goes, the more that I look at it, the more I realize what people are saying, that this shit is ass. But there are a couple pieces that stand out in my opinion. I feel like the long sleeve is fire. The crew neck is kind of okay if you look past the creepy ass doll on it, but mainly that zip up sweater with like the mock neck folded on the top, that one's gonna go for bread in the future. I feel like maybe that's just my opinion, but the lunchbox is fire, and then the long sleeve sleeve is hard as well. Besides that, everything is kind of ass. I do kind of like the Compass 6 panel. If Supreme was to throw that for free in one of my orders, I'll take it, but I don't think I'm gonna buy it, honestly. This week, I might just go for the over-dyed beanie, or I might go for the Hysteric Glamour long sleeve. I'm gonna see how I'm feeling come Thursday, to be honest, but let me know what you're trying to cop down below. As far as resale goes this week, honestly, I just probably stay away from it. If there's anything that's gonna have any type of resale, it's gonna be that Hysteric Glamour mock neck in that cream colorway. That one definitely is solid. But I guess that pretty much does it for this video, man. If you guys did enjoy, go ahead and slap a fat like on it down below. Subscribe to the channel if you are new and would enjoy more of this type of content. Click the post notification bell so you're notified whenever we post a new video. And don't forget to go ahead and enter in the Gleam link at the top of the description if you're trying to enter in a Supreme TNF shoulder bag giveaway. That's going to be ending literally in 2 days. So make sure you go ahead and enter in that, and I will start a better giveaway after that. Just make sure y'all go ahead and show some love because it definitely does mean a lot. But with all that being said, man, I'm going to catch y'all on the next one. Peace, stay up, and I'm out.
Never see the sun, always see the night. They say they want a real one, they say they want a real one to make them feel young.